Here is the foot of ancient banyan tree where Lord Shiva's giant awakened temple exists. This temple belongs to the village Chaigoria. This village is little bit away from Bongan town. Many come here from far away to pray for the fulfillment of their desires. Some say that this temple is cursed. They say who came to pray here before died soon, but many say it is a false propaganda. Most of the people in this locality believe that this temple is one of the sacred pilgrimages of Bengal.